Hello everyone and welcome to 2757 Sumac Court in Navarre, Florida. I'm going to be showing you a home today that is the quintessential Florida home. You've got a full acre of land, you've got a fully fenced backyard, a screen enclosed pool, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and this home spans just over 2,500 square feet. And in addition to the house, you do also have a workshop space. So can't wait to show you guys this property. It is located just off Turkey Bluff Road off Highway 87. You are in no HOA. So you've got a lot of freedom here with the double driveways. You can park your boat, park your RV, and there will be no fuss. So as you can see in one of the driveways right here, this is a double gated entrance, and this parking right here, this area right here would be great for parking a boat or an RV, but you do also have all of this driveway space. On the other side here, you do have your other driveway. This leads directly to the 2-car garage with the side entrance. And then you do have another double gated entry just right there. This home is beautiful on the exterior. You've got mature trees, mature landscaping, nice brick exterior, which is always great in Florida. So we'll go inside and take a look. You do have a covered porch to greet you. Okay. Coming inside, you can see you do have neutral colors throughout, neutral paint. You do have high ceilings, recessed lighting, and then you do have tile flooring. Right upon entry is the formal dining area. You've got a nice bright window to overlook the front yard, and then you do have a tray ceiling in here. To anchor their room, there is a double-sided fireplace. So the living room sees the other side of that, added coziness for the living area. Here is the foyer. Got a beautiful door, frosted glass on the front door for privacy. And then you do have a bedroom right as you walk in. So this is one of the 4 bedrooms. You have the beautiful arched window overlooking the front yard. And then you do have a closet through this single door here. And the room does have a ceiling fan. Okay, coming into the living room, you've got these really pretty built-ins for your entertainment area and for added decor, and they do have the accent lighting. The room does have this cascading sliding door, so it can open fully all the way up to the outdoor living space. You do have the plant ledges for some added decor. As I said, the recessed lighting and the ceiling fan, so very, very well lit. And then here is the other side of that pretty fireplace. So as you can see, really just anchors both of the rooms here. All right, coming into the kitchen, you've got really pretty custom cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You've got a double sink here. You have a wine rack area with the glass paned cabinets, and then you do also have the area for the stemware. You've got a KitchenAid refrigerator, a pantry there. Your range, and then the wall oven with the built-in microwave. So this kitchen really has everything you can need. Yeah, beautiful cabinetry. You've got an island here. All right, and then just across the way is the dining area, and it does overlook the pool. So let's go outside and take a look at the backyard before we look at the rest of the bedrooms. So you do have a covered sitting area here, equipped with a ceiling fan. And then here is your screen enclosed pool. As I said, this home does sit on 1 acre. It is absolutely lush, We've got mature live oaks, palm trees. Very, very relaxing oasis out here. So here is one of the two double gated entries just right there. You've got a privacy fence all the way around. You do have two structures back here. One is 11 by 9 feet, and the other I cannot remember, but it is close to that. Got a beautiful live oak. Lots of shady areas. And then here is a view of the pool from the backside. So I want to take you into the workshop too. That's really an added bonus. So you do have a slab that could easily fit 2 vehicles here. And then here is the double gated entry. So just come on around. And here is the shed. Not the shed, but additional living space. So you do have the window unit in here. And these double doors are at the front of the driveway, so you could access easily from the driveway. But as you can see, the room has a lot of nice depth to it, a great workshop area because you do have the slab just right out back here. All right, let's go back in through the screened in area and I will show you the primary bedroom. Take one last look at the hot tub and the pool area before going back inside. Okay, so 2 full bedrooms and 1 bathroom is just off the kitchen here to the left. The primary bedroom is tucked away in its own hallway over here. So you do have a half bathroom at the end of this hallway to be perfect for guests. It's just right off the living room. So you do have bright vanity lighting in here, a single vanity, and then you have a linen closet and the commode. Okay, just down the hallway is the primary bedroom. It has a double window overlooking the screen enclosure. Got a large primary bedroom in here. You've got a king size bed, so plenty of space still. Got a ceiling fan, carpet for added coziness. And then you do have a little nook here. They're using it for a dresser, but I think you could easily do a sitting area and really maximize your space in this bedroom here. Okay, the ensuite primary bathroom does have tile. You do have a separate water closet. Got a window in here for added lighting. And then in here you do have double vanities as well as dual closets. So you've got a lot of under sink storage in here along with your bright vanity lighting. You do have a tub and shower. So your garden tub is there. You've got a bright window. This is part of the fenced in area of the yard. This is what that view overlooks. You've got your shower here with the sliding glass doors, bright recessed lighting right above. And then here is one of the 2 walk-in closets. This is equipped with wire shelving. And then you do have extra rods up top for hanging things. Okay. Overview of the bathroom. Again, you do have the medicine cabinets on the sides here for added storage. And then you do have another walk-in closet. This one does have some custom shelving in it. You do also have a linen closet here for added storage. It's got some really nice depth to it. So 3 closets for storage in the split primary bedroom. And we'll go to the other side of the house and look at the 2 remaining bedrooms. Laundry is just off the way here when you would come in for garage access. Another thing I do love about this house too is just the archways going into the rooms and the hallways. So we can see it in the dining room here and then into the primary bedroom here. Just some added character. All right, 2 bedrooms. In this hallway, you've got the closet situated in the corner there. 2 bright windows. We do have carpet in this entire hallway here. Ceiling fan. And this bathroom does conjoin the 2 rooms. So you do have a separate room with a sliding door for the tub shower combo. Bright lighting in here. And then you do have your commode. And then we do have a pocket door for privacy. There is a single vanity just across the way. It's got plenty of under sink storage. Whoop, sorry, my camera. Got lots of under sink storage here. And then bright vanity lighting. And that will lead us to the other bedroom. Okay. 2 single windows to the right and left of the bed, closet there, a ceiling fan, and let me just step out into the hallway here so you can see what that would look like. That is the bedroom we were just in, and here we are now. And then I will show you the laundry room and the garage, and we will wrap this one up, guys. Separate enclosed laundry room. Do you have your washer dryer hookups, wire shelving, and then you do have a built-in ironing board here. Here is the access to the 2-car garage. Does have some built-in cabinets here. And here is the other side of the driveway. You do have a little area for your hidden trash. The double gate access. And here we are back at the front of the property. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me on the tour of this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom brick home in Navarre. We are about 10 minutes from Navarre Beach, if that, just off Highway 87 and Turkey Bluff Road. This is a great home on 1 acre. You've got a pool with a screen enclosure. You've got 2 sheds, and you've got a workshop in addition to this beautiful brick home. Come check this property out, guys.